అందరికీ సంతోషంగా ఉందా?
Are you all happy?
Be always happy, happy, happy.
My friends, we are very close to Aradhanotsava, the 24th of April. Aradhana is a Sanskrit word. Aradhana meant adoration. Aradhana meant worship. Aradhanotsava, 24th of April, when Swami has withdrawn from the physical body. He has withdrawn from the physical body at his own behest, at his own will. And that day is Aradhanotsava, an occasion of thanksgiving to God for having moved amongst us, an occasion to express our gratitude to Bhagavan for having given us the pleasure of his precious company. The greatest blessing of listening to your discourses and the rarest opportunity of seeing him day in and day out, and the pleasure of deriving his countless blessings physically until recently. All families of Sai devotees are hale and healthy. They are perfect. All of them are progressing. All of us are doing very, very well. If still some are dissatisfied, it is their fate, it is their bad luck. No one is unhappy in Sai era. No one is dissatisfied in Sai world. Everyone is blissful. Everyone is extremely happy, because there is no greater happiness than being with the Lord. There is no other greater pleasure than being with the thought of God. That pleasure, that blessing, that benediction that Baba has conferred on all of us. If we just recall and recount how he saved us till now against all threats, all dangers, mishaps, pitfalls, downfalls, failures, how he could give us the courage to face all the negative forces, how he saved our children. Well, words fail to express our gratitude. Words fail, because his love for us is of fathomless depth. His affection, his concern is so deep that several lives to come we cannot thank him adequately. We cannot thank him in full. See God's blessings. I take this special moment, my friends, to share with you some of the divine statements. They are not my imagination. They are not my hallucination. They are not of my dreams. They are verbal, literal statements of Baba, which I'll share with you unpolluted, undiluted, straight away, crystal clear. That will show a glimpse of his assurance to all of us relating to our safety. First, let us have his blessings as we are close to Aradhana Day, a Thanksgiving Day, 24th of April. అనిశంభో అత్యంత భోగానురక్తులై సుజ్ఞాన సక్తులగుచు. This is the first blessing. All the time, children, all the time, let you enjoy, live in peace, live in plenty and prosperity, with a deep interest in spiritual knowledge, sujnana, with a deep yearning for spiritual awareness. So Bhagavan wants us to lead a happy, healthy, long life with interest in spiritual awareness. Swaparabhedamu vidi sarvajivulayandu samabhavamu chupu sarasulaguchu. Then the second, Bhagavan never wants us to have any kind of differences on grounds of caste, region, nation or gender. Bhagavan never wants us to have a feelings of mine and thine. We are all His children. Let us have this feeling of equal mindedness, of love, fraternity and unity among all of us. కష్టజీవులయందు కరుణ చూపించుచు తగిన సాయము చేయు దాతలగుచు. Let you live in compassion. Let you spend time in kindness towards fellow beings, coming to their rescue, coming to their help, being a succor, being of support to the poor and needy people. Dampatya dharma satyatva vilasulai parulaku adarsya sadbhavulaguchu. Arey, what a kind of divine poet Baba. If people are happy with my English translation, it speaks of your goodness. Had you known Telugu, you would ask me to keep quiet. Because no one can translate in spirit the nascent, the lovely, the inborn, latent, immanent, idiomatic language of Baba into any other language. This translation is just an apology. I know the limitation. Let you be householders. Let you be householders with families and children. Follow the code expected of you. The duties expected of a husband towards the wife. The kind of duties expected of a wife towards the husband. The responsibilities of children towards the parents. Follow dharma. Parulaku adarsya sadbhavulaguchu. Let you be ideal to the entire community. That the whole world say, here are Sai devotees who are ideals, whom we should copy, whom we should emulate, whom we should follow. That way you should live. Jagati satkirchiganchi Sri Sai Krupato సాటి మానవులందు ఎప్పుడు మేటియగుచు. Who will think of us like that, my friends? Who will confer such blessings? What a wonderful statement it is. Jagati satkirti ganchi. Let you be famous. Let you be reputed. Let you win the esteem and the respect of everybody. Sri Sai Krupato, with my blessings, Sati Manavulandu Epudu Metiyaguchu. Let my children be on the top of the world, on the top of the world. Let the whole world look at them, that they are top in this world. As most successful people, Nityamunu dharma jignasa niratu laguchu. We should have that interest towards dharma, interest towards spirituality, yearning, hunger, appetite towards divinity. Uttamottama Vyuktulai undurugaka. I bless you to be the noblest of all, to be highest of all. That is the blessing of Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba as we are close to Aradhana Utsava, the Thanksgiving function. That we deserve His blessings. Let us come up. Let us be thankful to our Lord for having given us that kind of assurance to all of us. All over the world, wherever I go, people put questions like this. Swami has left, Swami has left. Swami is not in our midst. Why should we go there? What is there in Puttaparthi? Many people ask me that question. It is very painful to answer. I cannot say, don't put that question. I am not a stupid yet. We should be prepared to answer. If you run away from questions, you are a timid man. If you accept you do not know, you are a man of courage. If you answer with conviction, you are a man, a messenger of Sai. Do you know what Baba said? My friends, since you are here, share this thought with everybody. Because that's the original text of Bhagavan. Original text of Bhagavan. Unpolluted. Undiluted. Yadanu vidadu edabayaledu. Abba. No parent ever said it. No parent ever said it. I will not forget you. You are in my heart. I cannot be away from you. I cannot be away from you. Mimmelu chundu, ye vela bhaktula. Mimmelu chundu, ye vela bhaktula. Abba, Baba. How shall I thank you, Swami? Mimmelu chundu ye vela bhaktula. I protect you. I'll safeguard you anytime, every time. It is my duty. Karunaye atadu, atade karuna ani. Karunaye atadu, atade karunani. Karunakai kanchiyundu. Baba says, know that I am love. Love is Baba. Baba is love. Just wait. You will be blessed. What a kind of blessing that Baba has given us. Sai Mata Sakala Saubhagya Mulamuta. Abba. Sai Mata Sakala Saubhagya Mulamuta. Sai Cheyi Talli Prema Lopalahai. Sai Drushti Sakala Parijata Vrushti. Abba, yeah. Sai Drushti Sakala Parijata Vrushti. If all flowers are brought, all the flowers in full blossom, bouquets, daffodils, garlands, Sai Drushti, Sai looks are like that. Sai looks are like that, like blossoming flowers, like bouquets, like garlands. Sai Drushti, Sai Mata Sakala Saubhagya Mulamuta. When Swami says one word, Bangaru, Bangaru, how are you? Epudichao, when did you come? Dunno pota kucho, he buffalo sit down. Emi, what? Epudichao, when did you come? Abba. That is enough for life. It is one word from Swami is equal to all the wealth of this world. All the wealth of this world. Sai cheyi talli prema lopalahai. The love of Sai towards you is more than that of 1,000 mothers. All the love of a mother has towards the child. Yes, that is what Swami is. What a wonderful thing it is, my friends. That's the assurance given by Baba. These are the sayings of Baba. At this moment, my friends, what is my duty? My duty, I mean, as the one who speaks about Baba, as the one who loves to share the message of Baba. There are thousands of Sai messengers. There are many, many people who love to share Sai message. What is our duty? Swami tells us the best way to spread my message is to live my message. Let us live the talk. Let us live the talk. Let us live according to message. That's what Jesus said. Follow me, follow me, follow my teachings. That's what Jesus said. Arjuna followed him. Lakshmana followed Rama. So following his teachings is the way of best way of spreading his message. Baba, how great you are. How great you are. Can I say by word your divinity, your majesty? No, my child, no. You don't have to say my majesty. You don't have to say about my divinity. Your faith, your devotion is going to be publicity for my divinity. Your peace, your love, your way of life, your steadfastness, your faith will stand as a testimonial to the divinity of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. As general devotees, Swami, your devotees are spread all over the world. What is your message now? What is your message now to Baba? What shall I think of your last word to me? Because many people ask me, what is his last word? I tell everybody, God has no last word. His first word is the last word, which is the eternal word. The word, because it is celestial. It is not terrestrial. The word of Sai is not time bound. So never put question, what is his last word? The first word is the last word. Last word is the first word. That word is the word for any time. Universal, eternal. What is this? That wonderful statement that we have to remember. If I place myself, my Lord, if I place myself, oh Baba, in your hands, without ego, that is enough for this life. That is enough for this life. That's what Baba wants us to remember. Let us place our lives in Him. What we call in spiritual parlance, surrender. With a spirit of surrender, without any trace of ego, if we place ourselves in His hands, that is the best tribute to Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba on this Aradhanotsava, the day of worship. Swami, let us not feel, even in the dream, that you are away from us. Let us not feel that we are away from you, Swami, that you are away from us. No, 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 no. No. Let us not allow anybody to say that Swami is away from us. Let us not allow anybody to say that we are away from Swami. Why? Swami said, Antaranga Saye, Anadhanada Saye, Antaranga Saye, Dina Bandhu Saye, Karuna Sindhu Saye, Dina Karuna Sindhu Saye, Antaranga Saye, Anadhanada Saye, Antaranga Saye. Baba says, I am in you. I am in your heart. How can you be away from yourself? How can I be away from you? I am in your heart. That's what we have to say always. Always to remember Bhagavan. What shall I say to those people who never saw you? Because a generation is at present growing now. We are in the midst of a generation of youngsters who have not seen Baba, some of them. We have not heard of them, of him. That generation is now growing now. What shall I say, Swami? Shall I say that he gave me the ring? You fool, shut up. I can buy the ring elsewhere. Shall I say that you gave me the watch? Shut up. They are all individual things. Gifts of grace, individually given. If you want to speak about me to others, to the present generation that has not met Swami, you speak of my actions. That's what Jesus said. The future will know about me through my actions. The second coming of Christ, the cosmic Christ, the universal Christ, will be experienced through his actions, said Lord the Jesus. So Baba will be known to the entire world through his actions. Let us speak of his actions. The only God, the only incarnation, who is known throughout the world, while in the physical body, whose literature is spread all over the world, while in physical body. The only one accepted by all religions, while in physical body. Let us not share Baba's majesty, Baba's divinity from this standpoint of his universality, Catholicity. That's what Baba has said. Swami, what a wonderful thing it is. How am I to feel you? How am I to feel you? Because you rush towards me, you walk towards me, you look straight into my eyes, you allow me to touch your feet. What am I to do now, my Lord? To whom shall I give letters? Whose smile can I enjoy? A mischievous smile, a moment when I wear a new dress, a smile of recognition, a look at me top to bottom. Oh, you are in a new dress. Coming closer and closer. What is the occasion? a beautiful inquiry. Oh Lord, can I forget those moments? Whenever I touch that spicy food, the mango pickle in particular, Swami looking from a distance, this fellow is ready to eat mango pickles now. What a wonderful smile it is. At places where the spicy food is not available, from a distance he looks at me. You have nothing to eat here. How can I forget those moments? Oh Lord, impossible, impossible. If there are any sorrowful moments in life, these are the moments of separation. These are the times of recollection, of intimacy with Him. But Baba said, understand this. Know fully well, when you step into Prashantanilayam, you are saved, you are saved, you are with me, I am with me, you are liberated. Take it from me, that Baba said. You are in Prashantanilayam. We are in Sanctum Sanctorum. We see the Samadhi, Bhagavan resting there. Padmanabha Swami, Sriranga Swami, Vadapatra Sai, Ananda Sai, Satya Sai, greeting all of us, inviting every one of us, showering his divine blessings on all of us. Baba says, you are close to me, I am here to wipe out your tears of difficulty, to wipe out your tears of sorrow, to send you back home with all the bliss, with all the happiness that I assure you, Bhagavan declared. Swami, am I worthy to be here? Do I deserve all this, Bhagavan? Am I worthy to step into Prashantanilayam? Baba said, three things you have. That brought you here, you know that. What are they three? Swami, the ticket and the luggage, room reservation, Prashantanilayam. No. Devotion, love and faith. Those three brought you here, understand that. Those three only brought you here. I am very happy to have my children. That's what Bhagavan said. My friends, one thing he said. When you light the candle, what happens? Darkness is gone. When you put on the switch here, will you get the light tomorrow? When you put on the switch, do you expect the fan to revolve from tomorrow? Right now. Right now. Baba said, the moment you step into Prashantanilayam, take it from me, all your difficulties, all your miseries are gone 100%. Take it from me, take it from me. That's what Baba said. Can the gospel of Christ be untrue? Can Gita be false? Can you deny Dhammapada? Can you deny Guru Grantha? Can you deny Baba's statements? Impossible. Because there are divine assurances that would stand by us throughout our life. Swami said, even parents may not think of you at times. When father is busy in the office, mother in the kitchen may not think of you. But you are always in my heart. I have no other job. Understand, my friends. I have no other job other than you, your thought, your welfare, your health. That's what Baba said. Further, Swami, we sit there in bhajans. What is your reaction now? What is your reaction now? Baba said, as you sing the glory, my heart dances in joy. I dance in joy, in full rhythm and beat, in tune to bhajans you sing. Let us sing bhajans full-throated, full happiness, full joy to make Baba dance on the platform of our hearts. Baba said, who are you? Somebody said, Swami, why these people are so happy? Most of the people around Swami are happy. All of you are happy. No Sai devotee is unhappy. Every Sai devotee bears a smiling face. Somebody asked Swami, Swami, why your devotees are in smiles? You know, Baba said, they smile because they are my reflections. They are my reflections. I smile, therefore they smile. I am never serious. My devotees are never serious. I know how to control my difficulties, problems, yet smile. My devotees can control their things. My dear brothers and sisters, let us control all our problems, yet smile like Bhagavan Sri Sathya Baba, because we are his true reflections. That's what Baba said. There is no distance between me and you, Bhagavan. Baba said one point, that he said many, I cannot sum up within the short time. The courtesy and the decency, manners and your love made me sit all through this long. I shall not exploit your goodness. Do you know what Baba said? You are more fortunate than all the people that lived in the past. Than all the people that lived in the past, you are more fortunate. And further, Baba said, your wife, your husband, your children, your parents, your relatives may misunderstand you. Understand, I alone will understand you. I alone will understand you. And I are one. May that eternal witness such as Sai Baba, as we are close to this Samadhi day, the 24th of April, be an occasion of thanksgiving, may be an occasion of gratitude, may bring us His munificent grace, benediction, such that we walk and tread along the path that He has shown us, set before us, such that we live in the thought of Sai. We live in the thought of Sai. We work for Sai, and we conclude with only in one unanimous voice that we live for Sai. We live for Sai. Sai Narayana, Narayana, Sai Narayana. Louder. Louder, brothers. Sai Narayana, Narayana. Louder. Satya Narayana, Narayana. And Satya Narayana, Narayana. नारायण साई नारायण नारायण अगान लोल प्रिय नारायण अगान लोल प्रिय नारायण दीन पाल जय नारायण दीन पाल जय नारायण जन साई नारायण नारायण सत्य नारायण नारायण साई नारायण नारायण गान लोल प्रिय नारायण हरि गान लोल प्रिय नारायण दीन बाल जय नारायण दीन बाल जय नारायण साई नारायण नारायण ओम समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांति। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सच्चाई बाबा जी की जय बोलो भगवान श्री सच्चाई बाबा जी की।